Hello, I'm Bob. I'm with Industrial Fluoro-Plastics. We mold Teflon and we do Teflon coatings. We're in West Jordan, Utah, which is kind of centered in the country, so we can supply anybody within the United States fairly quickly.
As CEO of IFP, I see it as my personal duty to overlook and see every product coming through the door to make sure no matter what size of company you are, corporation, you get the same service and quality that IFP can deliver every time.
For moldings, we have moldable presses in moldable clean rooms to provide the best possible moldings we can there. Our ovens are all stainless steel lined to keep your products clean. For coatings, we have multiple spray booths, we have multiple ovens, we have a large sandblast building, small sandblast cabinets, whatever the needs, we can supply them, all the way up to the largest ovens around.
My name is Jason Lund. I work for a company that manufactures rockets. We use IFP to coat our tooling so that when we pour the liquid rocket fuel around our tooling, we are able to pull the tooling back out. It provides a slick surface coating so we can get the tooling back out.
Hi, I'm Mark Jones. Our machine shop clean machine utilizes IFP to supply ultra high quality, ultra clean Teflon blocks for the semiconductor industry. Our customer in the semiconductor industry demanded that we have ultra clean product, and they actually do cleanliness tests to test how clean that product is. And through that process, the only supplier that we could find that would supply to that level was IFP.
If you come to IFP, you might see some white blocks. The white blocks we mold out of Teflon in a clean room, keeping it as pure as possible to where when you get your block and then machine it into a part, it's as pure as possible. There's no leachable extractables that we introduce into the Teflon. It's clean, virgin Teflon.
Teflon is a plastic that is formed from powder and is used because it is inert. In other words, acids do not attack it. So it's able to pump acids used in the semiconductor industry.
NASA and the Department of Defense and our other military customers have very rigid specifications that we have to follow, and they want to check up on those specifications.
The semiconductor industry is all about cleanliness. If we don't provide a clean pump to pump the fluids, then the product that they turn out, the computer chips, are defective and has results in all types of industries. So it's ultra important that we start right from the beginning. It's kind of garbage in, garbage out. If we don't get quality material from IFP, we have no chance of producing a clean product.
Here at Industrial Fluoro-Plastics, some of the people that we have working for us are the best in the business. They've been coating for a long time, they've been molding for a long time. No matter what they're doing, they're the best at what they do. We make sure we have the best people to where we can provide the best services and the best products.
As scientists and engineers, we're always in a hurry. We're always trying to get things done quickly and on time. And we depend on our the people we work with to be able to do a quality job in a very timely manner.
As you may know, the semiconductor industry is very volatile. And so our orders peak and drop off consistently. IFP has, through their efforts, been able to meet those changing demands with very good service and delivery.
The thing I like about this is we have a lot of variety. I mean, we do the insides of needles, just the small holes of needles, all the way up to parts that are 35 foot long, 50,000 pounds, huge parts.
For the past decade in working with IFP to do these special coatings that we need on our tooling, we've been able to have great success, no problems with the coatings. They've been able to meet our high specifications and provide the documentation that we need for our customers to show that we're meeting their specifications.
If you come to us with one of your parts, once we establish the best coating for that part, then we're going to take that part, we're going to thermally degrease it, it's going to be grit blasted, it's going to be masked, cleaned, hung, and then coated, and then goes into the oven for the sintering process.
For 17 years, IFP has been a valued supplier of clean machine for these Teflon products, and we have not had to go to a second source or anything. And we've grown this business over time, and they've always responded for us.
I love it when customers call and we delivered what we promised on time.
Whether you're a rocket scientist, a materials handling engineer, a chemical engineer, or if you just need your pots and pans coated, whatever it is, we can help. We'll take you all the way from the design of your part, if need be, to providing samples of coatings on your part or coating samples. We can do big batches, small batches, we can do first articles, doesn't really matter. All the way through, we can help you. Check us out on our website or give me a call at 801-282-6722. I'm Bob. No matter what, we'll help you get through it.
Call IFP, you won't regret it.